Today we have the 2025 Peterbilt 579, and this is in the dual stack B-pillar configuration. So let's take a closer look. So as I mentioned, dual B-pillar, so instead of that back of cab exhaust or chassis mounted exhaust on this one, we have the dual B-pillar. So you get that look of that old style Peterbilt. Everybody loves that red oval. So with this one, it has just a little bit more aerodynamics to it. We don't go full fairing on these just because we like that classic look, and a lot of drivers like that as well, of having those tanks exposed, and it's just a really nice sleek look. Benefits that you get with this one is you still get that old school look without having the downside in mileage. Of course, we have our Bendix blind spotter, which everybody has been so lovely to talk to us about those and share their opinions. Look out for a video we have coming up soon on that. We'll be diving in deep on some of the downsides and upsides to what we're seeing out of those. Of course, this is a brand new truck, so we got 126 miles on this truck so far, so it's nice and clean. Chrome's still looking nice and pretty. Of course, when this is actually set up, we'll have a headache rack that'll be mounted back here in this area. Let's take a quick look on the inside. So you'll notice a little bit differently than the Cascadia that we previously looked at. This one has the new Peterbilt digital dash. So nice cool look to it, futuristic truck right here. This one's set up in a single bunk configuration here. So this is an 80-inch sleeper side to side. So you still get a lot of space in here, but of course single bunk since we are in a mid-roof configuration. Of course, same as the last truck that we looked at on that Cascadia, we have that empty spot right there for you to put your refrigerator in once you come on the fleet with us, as well as all your wardrobe here available to you. Your back sleeper station back here with your S-bar heater already pre-installed. Company units are going to have an APU on them, whereas our lease units will not. So if you are getting into a company unit, you will see that Thermo King tri-pack menu right there for you. Tons of storage all over in these B-pillars. Great truck. Of course, your Peterbilt TV mount. They always like to keep you nice and comfy on the road. Let's take another look at that digital dash now that it's all started up. So it's going to show you everything you need to see right in here, everything as you're going down the road. New steering wheel design too on this newer edition. It's kind of a refresh to the 579, not a full rework of the body style or anything, but still an all-around awesome truck. Let's go take a look at that engine bay. So here we have a Cummin X15. I bet you were probably thinking we were gonna have a pack car in here. Not this year. Switched over to the Cummins, and we've been very happy with the X15. It's a strong engine. You know, when you're seeing a red engine in your engine bay, it's going to be a good day. So we'll move around to the other side. Here, of course, we have the induction end, everybody's favorite end of the engine. Take a nice quick look through here. Nice clean engine bay. Of course, 126 miles, so nice and low. Very, very cool. So that's it for the 2025 Peterbilt 579 in the dual stack configuration. Make sure if you're interested in driving one of these bad boys, look up all of our information on the Learning Center regarding getting into these lease operations and working with us here at ATS. Thank you and have a great one.